Are you a local cabinet making company based in Hoppers Crossing or Werribee that is often being asked to quote splashbacks, mirrors or other glass related products in your joinery package? Well, in this video I'm going to explain to you how partnering with Economy Glass can provide benefits for both companies, ensuring that you can provide the very best service to your customers. Recently, we've had a number of inquiries coming through from local cabinet making companies asking us to supply and install splashbacks and other glass related products on their behalf. We've realised that these relationships are great for our company, and we love working with other local businesses to ensure that their customers get the very best service and the very best products. All of our splashbacks are manufactured from high quality products using an automated paint line and CNC cutting and processing. We use toughened safety glass on all of our splashbacks to ensure the longevity of the product and that there's no issues down the track. We have a huge range of colours using any of the Dulux range or finishes, and any other minor details, cutouts, notches or power points can definitely be accommodated. Now, there's massive benefits for working with a local glass company on your behalf for your customers. Firstly, it takes a lot of the pain and organisation of the job away from you and ensures that all of the technical aspects of the job will be covered by the person that knows it best. That's us. We're in the glass game and we want to provide your customers with all the information that they need to make a really reliable and great decision on their splashback. Essentially, we ask you to raise the job with us, send those information and details through so that we can provide you with a quick and accurate quote. That's easy for you to do. You're a tradie as well, so while on site finishing your cabinetry, you essentially take a few measurements and a couple of photos, shoot them through to our email address, and we can more often than not have a quote back to you the same day. You can then build this price into your quotation, send it off to your customer. If that customer accepts, this is when our great partnership begins. This is when it gets really easy. You go in there and do what you do best. You install all of your cabinetry. Once completed, you give us a buzz. We send one of our guys out to do the site consultation with your client, ensuring that we get the perfect product and the perfect details for their specific needs. All of our splashbacks are measured using laser equipment and drawn to perfection, ensuring that we can provide you and your customer with consistent lead times, ensuring that the job is completed on time and on budget. All final installations are installed using a mildew-resistant silicone. The job is completed, photos are taken, and then these are also relayed back to you as the main contractor. So there you have it. If you're a cabinet making company in the local Hoppers Crossing or Werribee area and you're looking for a reliable glass company to help you on any projects, whether it be splashbacks, mirrors or other glass related products, then feel free to get in touch and we'll show you how we can help you on the next project. We're really easy to find. Just punch Economy Glass into Google or Apple Maps and it'll bring you straight here. We're located at 415 Old Geelong Road on the left hand side in the service lane heading east towards Melbourne. We're the big yellow building. You can't miss us.